Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Learn Arabic grammar the easy way, in which we will learn the two patterns karuma and hasiba. In previous lessons, we have learned feminine pronouns and verb table for feminine gender, verb table for dual forms, and also the pronouns and passive voice also. Alhamdulillah. In previous courses, starting from the first course, we have learned that the three-letter sound verbs occur on one of the following common patterns, which is fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a. And you must be thorough. You must be thorough with these four patterns. What are these patterns? Fataha yaftahu, iftah, nasara yansuru, unsur, daraba yadribu, idrib, sami'a yasma'u, isma'. Right? Can you repeat after me or with me? Bismillah. Fataha yaftahu, iftah, nasara yansuru, unsur, daraba yadribu, idrib, sami'a yasma'u, isma'. But there are two more patterns, okay? Karuma yakrumu, ukrum, and hasiba yahsibu, ihsib. Of these two, karuma pattern is more common, so we will study this pattern only. Hasiba is very, 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 very rare in the Quran, in the language also. So let us take karuma pattern. Karuma means he became generous, or he became noble, or he was noble. So karuma, he became generous. Let us translate with actions. Karuma,
he became generous.
Karumu,
they became generous.
Karumta,
you became generous.
Karumtu,
I became
generous.
generous.
Dialogue part. Ta, tu, tumna. Karumtum,
You all became generous.
Karumna,
We became generous.
Karumat.
She became generous.
Repeat after me 2 times. Karuma, karumu.
Karuma, karumu, karuma, karumu,
Karumta, karumtu.
karumta, karumtu, karumta, karumtu,
Karumtum, karumna.
karumtum, karumna,
Karumtum,
karumna,
Karumat.
karumat.
علم. Let's take فعل مضارع now. This was karuma, this will be yakrumu. Like yansuru, but in the فعل ماضي also this was karuma. So yakrumu, yakrumu, he is generous. Okay, translate with actions. Yakrumu,
He is generous.
yakrumuna,
They are generous.
takrumu,
You
are
are
generous. And the dialogue
generous.
starts. Takrumu, akrumu, takrumu, nakrumu. So translate. Takrumu,
You are generous.
akrumu,
I am generous.
takrumuna,
You
all
are
are
generous.
generous. Nakrumu,
We are generous.
takrumu.
He is generous.
Repeat after me 2 times. Yakrumu, yakrumuna,
Yakrumu, yakrumuna, yakrumu, yakrumuna,
takrumu, akrumu,
takrumu, akrumu, takrumu, akrumu,
takrumuna, nakrumu.
takrumuna, nakrumu, takrumuna, nakrumu,
And this is
takrumu.
Ali. All right, now let's come to amr. Okay, ukrum means be generous, and ukrumu, be generous. So yakrumu, just drop the ya, and then you have krum. So in order to carry, just like yansuru, unsur. All right, in order to support the silent ukrum, krum, you have to add ukrum. In any case, translate ukrum,
Be generous.
ukrumu,
Be generous.
la takrum,
Don't be generous.
la takrumu.
Don't be generous.
Repeat after me 2 times. Ukrum, ukrumu,
Ukrum, ukrumu, ukrum, ukrumu.
la takrum, la takrumu,
La takrum, la takrumu, la takrum, la takrumu.
علم. All right, fa'il will be not fa'il type, it will be fa'il type. Kareem. Okay, it will not be karim. Fa'ala, fa'il. Fataha, fatih. Nasara, nasir. But karuma, not karim. Kareem, generous. Okay, and there is no, he was generous, nobody is affected in a sense. He was generous, so, or he became noble, he became generous, so himself, so there's no passive voice here. Kareem dash, and this is karam or karama. So translate Kareem generous. And this is dash. And karam,
To be
generous. Repeat after me 2 times. Kareem dash karam.
Kareem dash karam.
Kareem dash karam. Ali. And this is karama also. Alhamdulillah. Let's take the 6 keys of this form. Karuma yakrumu. Repeat after me. Karuma yakrumu. Ukrum.
Karuma yakrumu ukrum.
Kareem dash karam.
Kareem dash karam.
Ali. We'll take some more verbs that occur on these patterns. Alright, let's say hakuma. Hakuma, to be wise. Okay, Hakim means the one who is wise. So just remember this reference. In fact, most of the words occur on this pattern only. Kareem, Hakim, Ba'id, and so on. So repeat after me. Hakuma yahkumu uhkum.
Hakuma yahkumu uhkum.
Hakim dash hukm.
Hakim dash hukm.
Also hikmah. This is also used in the Quran. So Hakim and hikmah and hukm also. Alim. Next one is azim, to be great. Alright, repeat after me. Azuma ya'zumu u'udhu.
Azuma ya'zumu u'udhu.
Azim dash izam.
Azim dash
Izam. Again you see azim is being used in the Quran. Kathura is to be more, from kathir. Okay, so repeat after me. Kathura yakthuru ukthur.
Kathura yakthuru ukthur.
Kathir dash kathra.
Kathir dash
kathra. Alim. Basir is the one who perceives, who looks, who watches. Okay, perceives. Basura. Repeat after me. Basura yabsuru ubsur.
Basura yabsuru ubsur.
Basir dash basar.
Basir dash basar.
And another one is basara. Alim. And we have kabir also, and kabura also is used in the Quran. Kabura means to become big. Alright. So kabura yakburu ukbur.
Kabura yakburu ukbur.
Kabir dash kibar.
Kabir dash
kibar. Alim. And cobra is also there. Ba'uda means it became far. So bu'd means to be far. Ba'id is used in the Quran, and ba'uda is also used in the Quran. So repeat after me. Ba'uda yab'udu ub'ud.
Ba'uda yab'udu ub'ud.
Ba'id dash bu'd.
Ba'id dash
bu'd. Alim. As you see, the ism fa'il here is not like fa'il, like it's not like karim, hakim, azim. Okay, it's kareem, hakim, azim, kathir, basir. Some of these nouns are used as attributes, sifat, that you will study later on, or you have been coming across these words as attributes. That's it for now. Don't forget the 7 types of homework, and pray for yourself, Rabbi zidni ilma, and for the classmates, and keep learning from videos, keep practicing these forms inshallah, and you will learn all of them comfortably. This was a short lesson, mashallah. Well, our future lessons are short only on the grammar side, because you have learned the challenging part already. Jazakumullah khair. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids, and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum